Look at that, folks. We're live with pork ribs that are hot. They are good, man. Look at that. Squeeze it. It's juicy. Yeah, baby. That's a good rib bear. I'm just prepping. That's all I'm doing, just prepping. Prepping for smoking ribs tomorrow.
Baby back.
3 racks of baby backs. Last time I did them, I did a video. They turned out the best ribs I've ever done.
They was fantabulous.
Gotta peel the membrane. Kinder's rub. Kinder's. Brown sugar rub. Rub-a-dub-dub. It's called rub for a reason. Rub it. Gotta rub it. They're all rubbed up. Put them in the fridge and let them set for tomorrow morning. And we'll put them on the smoker. We'll see y'all in the morning. Good afternoon, folks. How y'all doing? We're back. We're smoking ribs this time. Baby back ribs. We got 3 racks here. I seasoned these puppies up last night. I seasoned these ribs up last night. Peeled the membrane off the inside of them, let them set in the refrigerator overnight so they could absorb that seasoning real well. And now all we have to do is put them on the smoker. All right, folks, we've got the temperature set at 225. We're going to put these 3 racks of ribs on here. We're going to let them smoke till they get to an internal temp of about 165, 170. Then I'm going to pull them out. I'm going to wrap them in foil, put a little barbecue sauce, maybe a little honey. Who knows, maybe a little something else, I don't know. And then we'll wrap them in. We'll let them finish out to about 190 to 200 degrees. And then we'll be ready to taste test. So here we go. First rack going on. That's hot. That's hot. And that's hot. I'm not sure if they're all, I'm going to have to. This is like putting a jigsaw puzzle together here, but I think this is the way I did it last time. Yep, that's the way I did it last time. There we go. Ribs are on. We're back. We're gonna wrap us some ribs here. We got the internal temp up to about 165-ish. We're gonna add a little bit of our good old Stubbs Smoky Brown Sugar Legendary Barbecue Sauce and some of my secret sauce. Honey.
Ain't no secret.
We'll just pour a little bit of Stubbs. We're pouring. We're pouring
It's thick.
We're pouring a little bit of Stubbs. Okay. We're pouring. Up there it comes. It's coming out in globs. That's all right. We're just gonna brush it around. Anyway, there we go. I put it on both sides. Get that barbecue sauce in there real good. Put some on the edges here. Oh yeah, almost forgot.
You almost forgot your secret sauce.
I'm gonna pour a little honey down through here. And brush that in.
Don't forget the sides.
All right, this one's ready to wrap. That Stubbs mixed with that honey, that is a good taste there. Excellent. All right, going back on with the ribs. We're gonna put that rack right there, and then we're gonna set that rack not so far back this time, about right there, and this one right here. And we're gonna leave these on here till the internal temp gets up to about 200, and then we'll take them off. We'll see y'all in a little while. We're gonna unwrap them here. Ooh, look at there. That looks good. We're gonna do a little bit of a taste test and see if they turned out way. Ooh, they're hot. Ooh. Cuts right through that meat. That meat's nice and tender. That meat's hot. Put that on that plate right there. Look at that. Oh, look at that. 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 Ooh, that looks good. Well, that meat's just coming off the bone this way. I like it too. Let's see here. Let me get that out of the way. Slide this over a little bit. Yeah, that's hot. Yeah, that's real. Ooh, that's real hot. Ow, that's hot. Ow. Look at that meat. Bone just peel right off that meat. Man, that's good. Hold on, let me try something else here. I'm just gonna cut this because it's hot. I don't want to try to hold it with my fingers. Normally I'd let these rest and cool off a little bit, but it's kind of late and dark, and I gotta work tomorrow. And give those a piece for the dogs. Oh yeah, that's good. Man, that's perfect. Man, that is. Oh, I love these ribs. I'm talking my mouth full. That's good. Good stuff, man. That's excellent. Excellent. So what we did here is we seasoned them, let them set in the refrigerator overnight for about 12 hours, 14 hours. Brought them out of the refrigerator, put them on the smoker at 225. They stayed on the smoker till the internal temp got up to about 165, 170. And then we took them off, wrapped them, a little barbecue sauce, a little honey. Put them back on till the internal temp got up to around 200, between 190 and 200. And man, these are absolutely perfect for me. I love them. I love them. Hope everybody else enjoys them that tries them. I guess that's going to be a wrap. We'll see y'all next weekend, maybe. If all goes well and the world doesn't fall apart. Y'all have a blessed day. We're going to eat.
Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment. We want to hear from you. See the description below for details and helpful links to what we covered today. Hit that notification bell so you are alerted when we publish new videos. Check out our website at motherofsmoke.com for the latest things we are working on. Have a blessed day and keep smoking.